surprise. Okay. खोलिए. Ooh. Wow, this looks super cool. Do you know the name of this toy? It is called Car Adventure.
It can stick inside here.
How does it stick? Is this some sort of magic? Whoa, look at that! Can you show me again?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, girl. How is it sticking? What do we have here?
It's like easy peasy.
Probably it's magnet.
You still magnet.
What amazing are you going to do? Whoa! What just happened here? What did I miss? Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again. Whoa! That was crazy. Then?
So let's do it.
Let's do it! What color are we going to use first? Which button? This one. Which button are we going to use?
Here.
Shall we do the red one first?
Yeah, red one too.
Yay!
I'm very excited. Let's do it right now.
Yay! Start with the red button, please. Whoa! Now the orange.
Orange here.
No, it's not orange. Are you forgetting the colors, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's orange? This is orange. Round and round. Change it more. Change it more. Oh, yes. Change it. Yes, it's in the right place. Now you will have to use the green and yellow one. Yes. Yes, go up and up at this other side. Up and up. Oh yes, see it's going up, 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 up. It's in the right place. Let's do the yellow button stunt. Whoa, look at that. Now take the car to the bridge. Round and round, round. Seems like the bridge is open. Close the bridge. Oh, it's broken.
Fix it.
Yeah. Wow. The car is here. Okay, now we need to move the crane. For that, use the gray lever. You did it. Yay, the car is back at the station.